I posted this chart last night on any vid site, earnforex.com, and I was with this line and this X, a check mark. I was trying to highlight this row. This is the Euro CAD. First, these little snowflake things. This is my definition of trend. So I see the weekly trend is down, daily's down, 240 and 60 are down. That's just my definition. And my definition, this will change as the trend changes. It changes. These are the arrows are for the zigzag. 5 minute up to the weekly. So if it's a red arrow down, it's the last leg was down. Lime, last leg was up. If it's a little Flaherty outfit, that means the last leg is right now. So in the case of the Euro CAD, the weekly is on the 0 bar now. GPB NZD, it has those three are up right now, this bar. But this is the one I was talking about. This and the AUD CAD and the NZD CAD, but this one mostly. All right. Now, this was last night, or at least night for me. Doesn't update. Let's look at today, right now. Okay. Blank chart. You hear people talk about trading with no indicators. Let me see you trade that. No indications at all. Control A. I can't. I gotta have indicators. Let's see here. Too much to talk about here. Just let me click and go. Okay, here's right now. Not only did the 240 not fall, some of the others joined it going up. That might be a good thing. The 60-minute trend has now changed to up. Let's look. I forgot to. Okay, this is last night for me. Euro CAD. These are the trades that closed. Euro CAD, Euro CAD, Euro CAD, Euro CAD. 4 Euro CADs, several NZD CADs. That was what I was talking about. And I see 2 AUD CADs real quick. Now the trades are small now because this is trying to match minimum wage. You can see $6, $7. I'm not trading standard lots here. So my trade's closed. Now it has changed on me. So let's look at today. We have to change with it. Let's see here. If it was a sell last night, it might be a better sell today. What are we talking about? EuroCAD. You ever want to see somebody's default template? This is my default template. Okay. Nothing to talk about there. Okay, here was the 240. And it did not fall like I had planned. But you can, and I'm not saying sell. I'm just saying I sold last night. You hear about people talking, they want to buy at the bottom and sell at the top. To me, that's not all that important. You can do just as good overall buying and selling in the middle. Buying or selling in the middle. But if you wanted to buy at the top, there's probably nothing better at pointing out the tops. The tops change. There's probably nothing better than the zigzag. In the case right here, it could very well be that the zigzag pointed to this bar first. And then this one went higher, so it changed to that one. And that one went higher, it changed to that one. Not only that, it changes maybe thousands of times a day, because each time the price moves up, the zigzag will follow it up. So it has to change thousands or tens of thousands. In other words, this zigzag leg here might have used to been there. And then once it fell down to here, it was there. And then it was there, and now it's there. So it changes, and you have to know that. You have to understand that it will change. So when that zigzag leg is there, and you say, oh, I want to buy there, that's the bottom. Well, we don't really know that because it's subject to change. But anyway, it's getting back to whatever it was I was talking about. This did not work out. My trade still closed, and now I might be in better position to re-enter. So I guess that's all of my whole idea was. Nothing's infallible, and that's enough of that.